Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your WhatsApp channel. So it's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open your WhatsApp account. When you are here, you just have to scroll to the right and you will find this updates. In updates, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this channels option. And you can see this plus button here. Just tap on this plus button and you will find these options: find channel and create channel. So just tap on this create channel and then you can read these things. After that, tap on this agree and continue, and now you have to add your channel name here, and then you can add the description as well. You can add the profile picture of anything you want, and then you just simply have to tap on this create channel, and as you can see, our channel has been created. You can also first read this privacy, and now when you are done with the channel, what you have to do is you have to share your channel to gain some followers. You can simply tap on this share channel link, and you can see this share link via WhatsApp, share to my status, copy link and share link. You can simply copy the link and you can send it to your friends, your family members, and with anyone you want. Now to find your channel, you have to go to updates again and you will find all the channels you like and your own channel here always. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.